MagLight camera light. Illuminate your photography with the MagLight, the world's first MagSafe smart camera light designed specifically for iPhones. With RGB LEDs and a powerful 4000 mAh battery, it provides stunning lighting for any situation. Offering over 16 million color possibilities and up to 6 hours of continuous use, it's perfect for creative shoots and nighttime exploration. The MagLight doubles as a torch and offers animated lighting effects for dynamic photography that stands out from the crowd. Nanoleaf 4D immersive lighting. Transform your entertainment experience with Nanoleaf 4D immersive lighting, where your screen comes to life with vibrant RGB lights that mirror the colors and actions on your monitor. Whether you're gaming, listening to music, or watching movies, Nanoleaf 4D adds an extra layer of excitement to your entertainment setup. Available in various shapes and sizes, it's a versatile addition to any room that takes your viewing experience to the next level. TruRest Travel Aid. Make your economy flights feel like first-class journeys with TruRest, the ultimate forward-leaning rest aid that transforms your travel experience. Acting as a portable massage chair, it cradles your body and allows for deep restorative rest, even in cramped airplane seats. Highly adjustable and compact, TruRest is designed to alleviate strain on your back, neck, and shoulders, making long-haul flights infinitely more comfortable and enjoyable. Rode Wireless ME microphone. Capture crystal clear audio with ease using the Rode Wireless ME microphone system. This ultra-compact wireless mic mounts directly on your camera and features built-in microphones on both the transmitter and receiver for optimal sound quality. With gain assist technology, it ensures perfect audio levels for any recording environment, whether indoors or outdoors. Plus, with the Rode Capture app, you can control your audio settings in real time using your smartphone, making it ideal for both professional productions and on-the-go filming. LithelieWagon W1 Pro. Meet the LithelieWagon W1 Pro, the world's first electric utility wagon powered by a portable power bank. This robust wagon can carry up to 200 liters of cargo and support weights of up to 132 pounds, making it perfect for camping trips or heavy-duty hauling. With its powerful 500-watt motor, it offers high torque and precise control, making it ideal for navigating challenging terrains like mud, rocks, and grass. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or tackling yard work at home, the eWagon W1 Pro makes outdoor tasks effortless and enjoyable. Fifine S3 Gaming Headset Stand. Enhance your gaming setup with the Fifine S3 Gaming Headset Stand, featuring dynamic RGB lighting that syncs with your gameplay for an immersive experience like no other. Not only does it keep your headset organized and easily accessible, but it also adds flair to your gaming area with its customizable LED displays. With additional USB ports for charging and connectivity, as well as built-in cable storage bins, the Fifine S3 ensures your gaming space stays tidy and ready for action. CuBlock Modular Power Strip. Meet CuBlock, the modular power strip that solves all your socket crowding issues. Each cube serves a unique function, from Bluetooth speakers to USB chargers and sensor lamps, with 90-degree adjustable plugs for flexible placement. CuBlock ensures you always have access to all your outlets. Perfect for power users who demand versatile and efficient solutions, CuBlock is the future of power strips. INMO Air 2 AR glasses. Step into the future with the INMO Air 2 AR glasses, where convenience meets cutting-edge technology. These sleek glasses not only protect your eyes from the sun, but also enhance your vision with augmented reality capabilities. With integrated ChatGPT, you have instant access to information, live translations, and more right before your eyes. Whether you're exploring a city, capturing stunning first-person videos, or enjoying your favorite shows and sports through wireless mirroring, the INMO Air 2 offers a seamless and private viewing experience like never before. Perfect for any situation, its real-time navigation directions are a game changer for both cyclists and pedestrians alike. AOHi Lightning to USB-C cable bid. Farewell to tangled cables with the AOHi Lightning to USB-C. C cable set. Crafted for all your devices, this 8-foot, 240-watt powerhouse delivers lightning-fast charging speeds, while being MFI certified for a seamless charging experience. Its soft and flexible design allows for adjustable lengths, while its vibrant canary yellow color ensures it's always easy to spot. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the AOHi cable is your reliable companion for both home and office charging needs. Apex Maker X13. D-Printer. Unleash your creativity with the Apex Maker. X1. An industrial-grade resin 3D printer that takes your projects to the next level. With 6 times faster printing speeds and a massive print volume, it allows you to bring your biggest ideas to life with ease. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen and built-in camera for real-time monitoring, it's perfect for both professional and hobbyist creators who demand precision and performance. From intricate models to full-scale prototypes, the Apex Maker X1 is your ultimate tool for turning imagination into reality. Lenovo Legion Go gaming device. Level up your gaming experience with the Lenovo Legion Go, a powerful Windows gaming handheld device that puts the thrill of gaming in the palm of your hand. Featuring a micro OLED 8.8-inch display, dual hand controllers, and Lenovo Legion glasses for immersive full-screen coverage, it's designed for serious gamers who demand performance and portability. Powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor and AMD RDNA graphics, it runs on Windows 11 and offers up to 1 TB of SSD storage, ensuring smooth gameplay wherever you go. Upgrade your portable gaming setup with the Lenovo Legion Go and dominate the competition wherever you play. UGOT Robotic Kit. Unleash your creativity and explore the world of robotics with the UGOT Robotic Kit, an innovative platform powered by ChatGPT and featuring graphical Python components for easy building and programming. With visual recognition capabilities, 360-degree movement, and advanced sensors, the UGOT Kit offers endless possibilities for learning and experimentation. Whether you're a novice or an experienced enthusiast, the UGOT Robotic Kit provides a fun and educational tool for exploring the exciting world of robotics. Tenon Smart Adjustable Desk. Revolutionize your home office setup with the Tenon Smart Adjustable Desk from EcoFlow. This award-winning desk goes beyond the traditional sit-stand workstation, offering innovative features like under-desk lighting and a touchscreen control panel for seamless transitions between sitting and standing. Designed to minimize clutter and maximize productivity, the Tenon desk is a must-have for anyone looking to create an ergonomic and inspiring workspace at home. Ohm Smart Stove Knob. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ohm Smart Stove Knob, a universal fit knob that turns any stove into a smart appliance. With seamless integration into your existing range or cooktop, it allows you to control your stove from anywhere via a user-friendly app. Receive alerts if the stove is left on or if unauthorized use is detected, enhancing safety and convenience in the kitchen. The Sommet Smart Stove Knob is the perfect addition to any modern home, providing peace of mind and control over your cooking environment. EcoFlow Blade Robotic Lawn Mower. Say goodbye to manual lawn maintenance with the EcoFlow Blade, the robotic lawn mower that takes the hard work out of yard care. Featuring smart obstacle detection, customizable cutting patterns, and anti-theft technology, it ensures a perfectly manicured lawn without the hassle. With a rain sensor and easy maintenance, the EcoFlow Blade is the ultimate tool for achieving a pristine yard with minimal effort. Scorkl 2.0 Underwater Breathing Device. Embark on underwater adventures with confidence using the Scorkl 2.0, a lightweight and portable underwater breathing device that grants you up to 10 minutes of dive time per refill. Featuring an electric compressor for fast refills and hands-free operation, it's perfect for explorations beneath the waves. Easy to use and accessible for divers of all skill levels, the Scorkl 2.0 opens up a world of underwater exploration and discovery.